What's up, everybody? Welcome to today's video. We're going to be taking a look at the Mercedes-Benz CLS 550 up in this place at the Auto Buy Center. That's right. You have probably emailed me, messaged me, or hit me up on Facebook. I just want to let you know the CLS is up front, ready for you to take a look at it. So stay with us, okay? So first off, the CLS 550 got the 5.5 liter under the hood. This is a very unique vehicle. One guy came up here a few nights ago and said it looked like a fish, and that's why he likes it. And he had 30-inch rims on his Mustang GT. So you know he's coming back up in this joint today to take this home with him. Maybe. But anyways, y'all clicked on this because y'all want to see the car after it's all set up. So that's what we're gonna do. Here we go. All right, everybody, what's up? We're actually gonna take a quick spin in this car first in the video, and I already recorded the first part of the video, but I thought about it and I said, you know what? We need to drive the CLS 550 real quickly here, and then we will let everybody know the price and get one last look at the exterior. All right, everybody, let's hit the street, see how the CLS 550 is riding. We have installed new airbag on the vehicle, so the vehicle ride height is all you know, doing pretty good, right? It's sitting up nice and even on the ground, and it doesn't look like it's, you know, dragging down the road and sitting on top of the tires, okay? Which it did definitely look good sitting low to the ground. I mean, I've always been a fan of lowered vehicles, but this car technically is not meant to be sitting at that height. It's supposed to be where it's at right now. So, you know, you're more than welcome to drop it, lower it, do whatever you want with it, but for us to sell it, we need to have it just right. So anyways, right now the car is driving pretty good. What we're going to do here is we're going to actually slow down a little bit and roll down this window so y'all can hear the engine, because this is a very important part of the car buying process, is to make sure the motor, the brakes feel fine. I'm slowing down, but let's give it a little gas here. 3, 2, and 1. Oh man, you know, one thing I'm noticing just now is it's really smooth. When you hit the gas pedal down, that V8 just, it's got a way of how smooth it is shifting through the gear. It does have a light on right there, if you can see that. It has a little exclamation point on. So I do not know really exactly what that means right at this particular moment, but it says right there, ESP inoperative. See owner's manual. Anyway, some of y'all watching may have more experience with Mercedes-Benz and knowledge in it, so please let us know in the comments. But I mean, right now the car does seem to ride good. The suspension feels good. It's not all bumpy. It's a pretty smooth riding car, so not bad. Let's go ahead and turn her around real quick, and let's also test out the churning and all that. Feeling pretty good. Not bad, churning great. You know, this is actually a really nice riding car, the Mercedes-Benz CLS 550. I'm not gonna tell you the price yet, but when I tell you the price, you are gonna love it. Here we go, let's go ahead and get back up on it. Hit the gas pedal down here in just a second and really mash it and give it a ride for the money here for a moment. 3, 2, and 1. Oh my God. My God. Oh my Lord. What a feeling of strength. The clicker thing getting on my nerves a little bit, but my goodness gracious. That felt good. It felt so good I got to do it again. Hang on a minute, guys. Let's slow down. We got to do it again. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I thought there was a police officer. Hang on a minute. Nope. 3, 2, and hold on a minute. 1, 2, 1. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Wow. That is a lot of power behind the wheel, man. You know, it's not a feeling like a Dodge Challenger or some kind of big muscle car, but it's a feeling like, okay, if I want to get up out of harm's way, or if I just want to haul ass down the road and show off a little bit, or if I just want to go somewhere fast, I got plenty of power out of that Mercedes-Benz 5.5 liter V8. So that's a good feeling. All right, guys, let's get back to the store here and let's start up the exterior review, and I'm gonna tell you the price and just let you get a quick overview of the vehicle since we've had it cleaned up and all. But driving wise, suspension feels good, engine feels good, no funky smells or anything like that. I think we're good to go. Let's go ahead and get out and let's go ahead and get the review started. It's got just around 129,000 miles on it. Pretty low mileage on a 2008. Yeah, 2008. Got the Harman Kardon stereo inside, but the main thing today is to see how clean it is. Man, them doors are heavy. You know, that's one thing I noticed on a Mercedes. The door is solid, and it's got some weight to it. So that makes me feel like this is possibly going to be a safe vehicle to drive. But as you can tell, it now is sitting nice and level. And it's got the airbags on there, so it's nice and level now. Let's get a closer look. Now, a lot of people had commented online saying, you know, hey, I probably wouldn't put the bags back on it. I probably just put regular air shocks back on the vehicle. Well, that's fine, you know, but we put a bag back on it because that's the way that the manufacturer designed this vehicle, and that's just the way we're going to do it. Now, here's the thing. A lot of people have asked, you know, I saw it online, but how much is the car going to be, right? Because I had a 5,000 number on the car when I originally posted on Facebook, and if you read through the description there on the posting, the $5,000 wasn't for this car. It was just saying that we sell vehicles in the $5,000 range for luxury cars if you're looking for one. But the exact price on this today, now that we've fixed it and got it cleaned and ready to go, is $8,990. Basically $8,900 cash. If you want to get financing for the car, you are more than welcome to get financing for it. We can use Lendmark Bank in Charleston here. We can use American Finance. You know, any of those small lending companies may do the loan for you with approved credit. You may go to your bank, South Carolina Federal Credit Union, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, whoever, Navy Federal, whoever you do business with, you're more than welcome to go there as well and get the loan for the car, because I do understand that not everybody has $8,900 cash just sitting up under the bed. Now, some of y'all do, and if you do, well, come and get it. But I understand not everybody's got that kind of money. So if you need a loan, you're more than welcome to get one on your own. Or you can come up here, fill out a credit app with me in my office, and I'll fax it down to the credit company and see if we can get you approved. But this is not a buy here, pay here car dealership. We do not accept monthly payments at our dealership. So again, we're not buy here, pay here. We go through a legit bank or a loan company to get the money. So that's how we work here at the Auto Buy Center. If we ever get to doing buy here, pay here type car loans, I will definitely let you know, and I'm sure we'll probably double up on our business because a lot of people ask that. But as of right now, we're doing it this way. So anyways, that's it. This is just a quick video. It's not going to be 8 minutes. It's not going to be 20 minutes. Just a quick video letting you know the car is ready. And again, it's $8,900 or $8,995 to buy this one today. It is a very clean car, though. It turned out to be very nice, and our detail guy did a really good job on it and got it all cleaned up. But there is a few things with it that you may want to fix later down the road, like the chrome is kind of chipped off right there. It's got a little rip or a decent sized rip in the seat there, but doesn't go all the way through. So there is a few things with it. It is a pre-owned vehicle that's 10 years old, and with that being said, you know, it's going to have some wear and tear and things like that with the car. But again, for $8,900, it's a very nice Mercedes CLS 550 for $8,900, or whatever your best offer is. If you could maybe offer me $7,000, $8,000, $8,500, whatever you want to offer, I will entertain and I will present it to my partner inside the company, and I'll ask the company, will you sell this car for this price that Bob Jones or whoever is offering? And then I will let you know. And if we're good to go, come on in, sign paperwork, take a test drive, whatever you got to do. You can even buy a warranty for it as well. But once we let you know if we can do that offer or not, then come on in and test drive. But other than that, you might just want to go ahead and come in, because I got a feeling it's going to sell extremely fast. So please, people, if you're watching this and you've commented to me on Facebook Marketplace, please don't sit around and be in the digital world for the next couple of days. You may want to get moving fast if you want to buy this, because there's a lot of people interested in it. And I would like to be the one to sell it, but there's 2 other salespeople inside and they got customers on it as well. So get moving quick. All right, everybody, have a great day. Hopefully I got enough information to you. If you got any questions about the car or anything like that, please feel free to ask, and I'll do the best I can to give you as much information as possible on this vehicle today. We'll see you soon.
Lots of talk.